A Ford Exploder truck. Sport Track, excuse me. Still an Exploder. Where you at? Huh? Take a peek, take a look. Check it out. Peek at you. All done? Sold 12.5 number. 04 BMW 325i. Does that one have a big key fee? 200 on the key. All done? Sold 575 number. Where you at, man? 500. 500, now 5.25. Well, 500, now 5.25. 5.25, half. 5.5, now 75. 5.5, now 75, and 75. Now 5.5, now 75. Smash 75. 600. 600, now 6.25. 600, now 6.25, and 6.25. I'm over here. 6.25. All done? Sold 17.5 number. 32.93. 32.93. 75. 4.5, now 75, and 75. 4.5, now 75. 4.5, 475. 475, now 500. 475, now 5, would have been 5. 06 Ford Expedition. 06 Ford Expedition. Check it out, take a look. Take a peek. 06 Expedition. 1100, now 11.5, all in. All done. Sold, 1,100 bucks. $300, now 3.25. We all in. All done. Sold, 300 bucks. 32.63. That's a steal. '03 Toyota Sienna. '03 Toyota Sienna. Number 50. That's Sean Lee. He'll be playing tomorrow. It's a grocery getter. It's a grocery getter. Where are we at? Somebody give me $1,000. Just kidding. 500. 9.25 now. Half. We all in. All done. Sold. 9.25. The 11. Danny White. 02 Trailblazer. 02 Trailblazer. 775 now 8. All in. All done. Sold 775 number. 2008 Nissan Altima. 2008 Nissan Altima. 200 on the key. 200 on the key. It's got an overheating problem. All done. Sold 6.5. Number 6 is an 06 Chevy Malibu. All done. Sold 1,400. $27.
No brakes on this one. Stick shift.
Sounded good. Huh? Sounds good to everybody's car.
02 Ford Focus, no brakes. Sold 200 bucks. 502. 502. Oh, we're coming in from the back. Nissan Sentra of some sorts. 41. Did we get a key made? Did we do a key? We have a key. Let's drop in the programming each time we program it. Let's drop in the programming. All in. All done. Sold 1,400. 32.65. Cavalier. Salvage on the title. 04 Chevy Cavalier. Salvage on the title. Salvage on the title. Where are we at? Somebody give it a 200? All done. Sold. Sold. 2.25. Joe Montana. 2010 Chrysler 300. 2010 Chrysler 300. 1,000. 500. 500 now 6. 500. 600 now 7. 700 now 8. 3,200 now 33. Are we all in? All done? Sold 3,200. 03 Pontiac Aztec. They got a fast from the office. $100. 175 now 2. Are we all in? All done? Sold. 175. Number 8. Those rims all the way around? They are. The rims are around. 2002 Chevy Tahoe. 2002 Chevy Tahoe. I can tell you why they towed it. 8 1/4 now. Half. All in? All done? Sold. 8 1/4. HHR. Number 12. 2006 Chevy HHR. Do we know what's wrong with it? It was working before. Not no more. 6 1/4 now. Half. We all in? All done? Sold. 6 1/4. 502. 55. Leighton Vander Esch. 250 on a key. 250 on a key. 775 now 8. 775 now 8. Are we all in? All done? Sold. 775. 3289. 44. 400 now 4 1/4. 400 now 4 1/4. 4 1/4. 400 now 4 1/4. 400 now 4 1/4. All in? All done? Got him. Sold. $400. Number Toyota. A 575 now 6. 575 now 6. All in? All done? Sold. 575. It's a Charger. 400. 400 now 4 1/4. 400 7 1/2 now 775. 7 1/2 now 775. All in? All done? Sold. 7 1/2. Impala. $400 now 4 1/4. 4 1/4. 400 now 4 1/4. Are we all in? All done? Sold. $400. Mustang. 300 now 3 1/4. We all in? All done? Sold. $300. 502. 502. 49. 200 on the key. 200 on the key. What year is it? 2012 Toyota Yaris. Sold. $1,200. 3288.
Definitely squeaking, and there's something wrong with the suspension when you turn. It's like a loud knock.
8. Mercedes. 06 Mercedes. 06 Mercedes C230. 2.5 on the key. 2.5 on the key. Really? 600 now 6 1/4. All in? All done? Sold. $600. All in? All done? Sold. 3.5. 502. 502. '07 Magnum. Number 20. It's an '07 Magnum. Take a look, take a peek. All done? Sold 6 and a quarter.
3364.
625.
01 Honda Civic, rebuilt on the title. 01 Honda Civic, rebuilt on the title. And I'm guessing it's got altered suspension. 75, all in. All done. Sold 5.5. This one's definitely got altered suspension. 01 Toyota Tacoma. 01 Toyota Tacoma, we got the title. We've got the title, you walk with the title today. We've got the title, you walk with the title today. Looks like it's got some altered suspension. Little kiss in the back. Little kiss in the back. Aftermarket rims. 100 now 22, are we all in? All done? So, 2100 number. The bug. '98 VW Bug. 200 on a key. 200 on a key. All done? Sold $400. 04 Jag X-Type. 04 Jag X-Type. I'm going to count this one as the Ford Taurus of the auction. 100 now 3 1/4. 300 now 3 1/4. We all in? All done? Sold $300. 502. 502. 7. 97 Ford F-150. 97 Ford F-150. Looks like it's got a smog in it. 500. We've got the title? We've got the title. You walk with the title today. And a half. All in. All done. Sold 1,400.
Yeah.
2010 Chevy Malibu. 2010 Chevy Malibu. Spray paint to the rims. Spray paint to the rims. 2000 now 21. All in. All done. Sold $2,000. Number. $2,000 Acura. 200. 200 now 2 1/4. 200 now 2 1/4. 2 1/4. 200 now 2 1/4. 2 1/4. On the Acura. 200 now 2 1/4. 2 1/4. 200 now 2 1/4. Are we all in? All done? Sold $200. 1.5. 175. 175 now 200. 175 now 2. What a bit 2. 175 now 2. 175 now 2. Are we all in? All done? Sold 175.
Alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a subscriber already, don't hesitate to share that video and let me get on your community post. I greatly appreciate it. As always guys, be easy out there and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.